The complete time management workshop including all necessary techniques and philosophies, but also a planner pack including 15 to-do lists and planners bundle. What you will learn. First, learn how to analyze yourself with personal SWOT analysis in order to find both favorable and unfavorable factors created by your cognitive fallacies. Learn to make more money, get promoted faster or get better grades with identifying the right 20% of tasks that brings 80% of all results. Learn how to discipline your task management priorities with Eisenhower matrix and plan ahead with no stress. Learn how to minimize the impact of internal but also external disruptions on your concentration and workflow with the Pomodore Technique. Learn how to set a time limit to complete any task, so as not to fill the time available for its completion with Parkinson's law. Learn how to divide your day into blocks of time to fulfill a specific or group of tasks easily with time blocking method. In short, learn all time management techniques in just one education pack. After all, complete all the activities included in lecture, tests and quizzes, and use workbook materials at the last chapter in your daily life. But be careful, participants should be eager to apply the tips and techniques outlined in this course to improve their time management skills. It is very important to be hungry for becoming successful. Short explanation of the course. Life is short and we all have 24 hours a day as humans. Also, time does not care about your degree of success, intelligence, richness, talent or fame. It treats equally to everyone. That's why time is the most valuable asset in the world and you have to learn how to protect your most valuable asset. Time management is about using the right techniques blended with effective personal habits. If you learn the techniques, but cannot control your habits, no one else can be responsible for your time-wasting behaviors. That's why time management starts from learning what cognitive fallacies are. In this lecture we will be talking about basic to advanced time management techniques, real-life tips distilled from experience and productivity strategies. These methods will guarantee that you get things done with no stress. And after that you will never say one of the following. I am always busy, I don't have time, I am not happy with my life under this workload. I don't feel I have achieved anything for a long time, I cannot control my life, wish I had more than 24 hours to get things done, lost my contact with my social life. When you finish this course, you will learn to write down your personal action plan with battle-tested workshop tools, to set new extraordinary goals and have energy to finish all of them 4 times faster. Fantastic skills to conquer procrastination and be easy for creating to-do lists, to boost your productivity by just saying no. To concentrate on any task without the hassle, time management habits that carry out top-level productivity levers. In short, accomplish right thing at the right moment, every day. Who is this course suitable for? Please note, as time management becomes the most important soft skill, this course is for anyone who needs to be ready for the near future. This course is designed for leaders, executives, project managers, employees, entrepreneurs, freelancers and students who want to accomplish more with less effort in their career. This course is also intended to save time for teachers, coaches and employers who needs to teach time management to their coaches, students and employees with no compromise. Or anyone who becomes digital nomads at COVID-19 era and having problems in goal setting, focusing on their strategies and getting poor results in their professional careers and social lives. In fact, anyone who procrastinates because of feeling burdened by being busy. Extra benefits. The course also includes an Udemy time management course first, which is a special template pack added to the last section of the course. This part contains ready-made forms to help you on your daily, monthly and even yearly to-do lists on different topics. This part would easily be used by teachers, coaches and company training officers as a part of their training. In fact, this part will save your time every day, even years after you finish this course. Take care.